So in this question, we are given a table and we are asked to represent the information given in a matrix P. I've written the matrix P already for you, but what I hope to point out to you is that, at least we always bear in mind that these are the blueberry cakes, chocolate cakes, the strawberry cakes, the mango cakes, and this comes from bakery A. Bakery A, Bakery B, and Bakery C. So we always have this in mind whenever we do our calculations or when we try to interpret matrices. So this is part A, that's done. Write down part B, write down the matrix Q to represent the selling price in dollars of cakes of each flavor. Okay, so they've already told us the selling prices. They're just asking us now to organize it into a matrix Q. But we bear in mind later on in part C, part 1, we want to find PQ. Okay, so I should be able to take P times Q. So I need to bear that in mind when I find matrix Q. Okay, so how do we go about finding matrix Q? Much like the same as before, we want to match the rows here. These are the different flavors. We want to match it to a column of prices. Okay. So what we hope to find is actually a column with 4 numbers. I'm just going to represent the numbers by just empty circles here. There's just empty circles. We want to have this row multiplied by this column. If this is this will be matrix Q, and each of these elements will be the prices of each type of chocolate cake. So the price of all the blueberry cakes would be this is the price of 1 blueberry cake multiplied by 6 blueberry cakes. So therefore we can say that our matrix Q, we arrange it in a column matrix. This is 25, that's for blueberry cakes, chocolate cakes, strawberry cakes, and mango cakes, my favorite. Okay, so once again, I think you should be able to see this is for blueberry, chocolate, strawberry, and mango. We are lining up this row against this column here. I'm just going to take this bit here off the screen. Right, and so now that we try to find PQ, okay, if I may, oops, wrong color. This is part C, PQ. Okay, I have shortened this by finding out the product PQ here for you. How we got the 430 is 6 times 25 plus 8 times 20 plus 3 times 20 plus 2 times 30. That gives 430. To get the 260, 4 times 25, 6 times 20 plus 2 times 20 plus 0 times 30. And the last one, 165, I won't explain. So this is C part 1. Okay, so part 1 is done. Now we are asked to explain what the elements in the matrix PQ represents. To explain this, I think what you may have figured out is that actually down here we are finding out the total amount of cakes. The total money earned by bakeries A, B, and C. This is bakery A, B, and C. Okay, this is where we got it from: A, B, and C. A, B, and C. And this is the total amount of money that bakery A has made from selling the blueberry cakes, the chocolate cakes, the strawberry cakes, the mango cakes. We multiplied it by their prices. We summed it up to get 430, 260, 165. So in short, the elements in matrix PQ represent the total sales of the 3 different bakeries. And there we have it. This solves our problem.